Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for how to start an online business from home. Well, you're in the right place because I've had my own online business and have been working from home full time for 5 years now. Now you can see on the screen some of the income that I've been blessed to generate just working about an hour a day from the comfort of my house. And what I want to do inside this video is share with you some of the breakthroughs and the insights that I had over this journey to shortcut your time and allow you to start your own online business from home as fast as possible. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to decide what type of business you want to actually start. Now, there's a lot of different types of businesses out there, but what I recommend is if you're someone that wants more of a freedom lifestyle, meaning you want to work about an hour a day and be able to travel and be able to have time freedom to do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with, I highly recommend you focus on selling products, not services. See, if you go out there and you try to sell a service to people with that type of business, you're gonna have to actually invest your own time and you're not gonna have as much freedom as possible. So when you sell a product, you can sell that product even on autopilot, which allows you the comfort to be able to just go, to the beach or hang out with your friends and family whenever you choose. There's a lot of different types of businesses you can sell products with. There's drop shipping, there's other types of businesses where you can actually create your own product. What I highly recommend you do if you just want to hit the ground running and make as much money as easy and fast as possible is you do something called affiliate marketing. Now, the beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to create your own products. You just find products that are already selling well, and if you refer people to buy that product through your own affiliate link, you get credit for that referral and you can generate money. And in some affiliate programs, you can earn money instantly, up to thousands of dollars. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below this video, so at any time in this video you want to find out my #1 recommended online business, it's an invitation-only affiliate program, you can go down below. But that's what I would recommend you do, and that's what I did, because once you start an affiliate marketing business, not only does it allow you the freedom because you can sell products from anywhere in the world with just a Wi-Fi connection, but you also just need to focus on 3 main things every day, and that is traffic, leads, and sales. Now, with this type of business, all you have to do is get eyeballs to your website, okay? And again, the link below shares how you can actually get a done-for-you website, so you don't even have to create your own website with this type of business. And then when someone puts their email in or they actually check out your website, they now become a lead. And then what we can do is actually follow up with them. We can create emails that follow up with them on autopilot, again, while you're even sleeping. And when they see it through a certain amount of exposures, on average it takes about 7 to 12 exposures for an interested person to buy that product, we can be making sales, again, while you're on your ideal vacation spot, when you're hanging out with your friends and family at a nice dinner, right? It doesn't matter where you are. With this type of business, you can actually just generate sales, commissions, and money even while you're sleeping, right? Now, again, I wanted to share this video with you because this is what I've personally done the last 5 years. I wake up, I just get traffic, okay, whether through free advertising or I do some paid advertising. I get traffic to my affiliate sales page, which is simply a website that sells the product for me. And usually the product creator will create that website for you. And then I get people to buy through following up with emails, and I'm able to generate a full-time income even while I'm traveling. Now, at the link below, you're gonna be able to access an affiliate program that not only pays you instant commissions, not only pays you, hundreds of dollars per commission, but it also allows you access to websites and even follow-up emails that you don't have to create yourself that will start converting your leads into sales wherever you are that day. So I wanted to shoot this quick, straight to the point video. If I was to start off, back around 5 years ago when I was still slaving away as a waiter, I had dropped out of college, I had no idea what type of business I wanted to start, I would have started with an affiliate marketing business, and I would have started with the affiliate program you can find out on my website at the link below. Again, the reason is I tried drop shipping, I tried doing surveys, I tried doing coaching and consulting where you have to be on the phone all day. And again, if you're watching this video and you're interested in more passive income, you're interested in the idea that you can do something that's set and forget and literally works even while you're sleeping, I highly recommend you think about affiliate marketing. Now, this is high ticket affiliate marketing, which is a sub genre of affiliate marketing, which means rather than making $20 or $100 per sale, you can make up to $1,000 or more per sale. So if you have a goal of hitting $10,000 a month or so, if you just got 10 people a month to buy that product at $1,000, you would hit your goal, okay? That's one person every 3 days. It's incredibly doable and incredibly easy, and at the link below, you'll also be able to access video training, step-by-step showing you how to get traffic, leads, and sales on a daily basis. So I hope you got value, and I hope you now understand how to start an online business from home. This is the exact method I personally wish I would have known. Again, there's gonna be a link directly below. Check out my website, just put your best email onto my website. I'll be able to shoot you more information, more success stories of other members just like you and me. Many brand new, they plugged into this type of business and they were able to quit their job. They were able to make their first $1,000, their first $2,000, $10,000 month, and even more. So anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.